Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have studied about the given number is perfect square or not. But today, we will study about the number is perfect square of even number. Perfect square of even number. In the last lecture, we have discussed about this series. If we will focus on this series again, we have expressed odd number square is equals to odd and even square is equals to even. So these were the number. If the given number is ending with these digits 0, 1, 4, 9, then the given number is the perfect square. Otherwise not. If the number is ending with the 2, 3, 7 and 8, in that case we will say number is not a perfect square. So let's see how this number is square of even or not. 121. 121 is perfect square or not. First we will see the given number is perfect square or not. After that we will check this is the perfect square of even number or not. So 121 is ending with the 1. See. So in the case of the 1 which is perfect square, this is perfect square. But now further we will have to check this is the perfect square of even number or not. As we have talked earlier, as odd square is equals to odd and even square is even. So it means that if we want to find the square of the even, then that number must be ending with the even number. So 121 is not ending with the even number. This is ending with the odd number, right? Whether this is perfect square, but this is not a perfect square of the even number. So in this case, we will say the given number 121 is not a perfect square of the even number. So I have put the cross here. Move to the next example. In the next example, 225. 225 is ending with the 5. So let's check again. Yes, this is perfect square. But further we will check this is the perfect square of even number or not, as the 5 is the odd number and this number is ending with the odd digit. So in this case 225 is not a perfect square of even number. Whether this is a simply perfect square, but if we will talk about the perfect square of even number, then this is not a perfect square of the even number as it is ending with the odd digit. So in the next example 784, it is ending with the 4. Let's check it again. Yes, 4 is a case of the perfect square as it is ending with the 4. This is the perfect square, but now we will check this is the perfect square of the even number or not, as 4 is the even number. So 784 must be the perfect square of the even number, we will say. So I have put tick over there that this is the perfect square of the even number. In the case of the 841, 841 itself is the odd number as it is ending with the 1, and in the case of the 1 we can say this is a perfect square, but this is a odd digit. That's why we will say the perfect square of the even number is not there. So 841 is not a perfect square of the even number because it is ending with the odd digit. Whether this is a perfect square, but this is not ending with the even number, that's why 841 is a not the perfect square of the even number. Same here, 576 is ending with the 6, but yes, ending with the 6 is the perfect square. So it is perfect square. It is also ending with the even number, right? So we can say yes, this is the perfect square of the even number, right? So next, given number to which we find perfect square of the even number or not. So this is a 6561. It is ending with the 1, and in the case of the 1 we can say it is a perfect square. So it is the perfect square, but it is ending with the odd digit. That's why we cannot say this is the perfect square of the even number. We will say this is not a perfect square of the even number. So this type of the question we must discuss with the help of the assignment. You guys will solve, then I will give you the assignment. So there are some facts in your book which we will discuss today. This is the third fact. Two facts already we have discussed. So according to the third fact, the square of the odd number are always odd. See, I have discussed in this series the odd square is odd. Yeah. So the fact is odd square is always odd. I have taken some examples also. See, 7 is an odd number. When I keep the square, then it will give the result 49, because 7 multiplied by 7. 7 square means 7 multiplied by 7. So it will give you the 49.